This is the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and Apple says it's the ultimate smartwatch for people who push themselves and their gear to the absolute limit. Hikers, divers, endurance athletes, weekend warriors, this thing is supposed to handle it all. But after using it day to day, not just on trails, but in normal life, I realized something Apple doesn't really talk about in the ads. This watch isn't for everyone, and that's exactly why it might be Apple's best smartwatch yet. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple's latest rugged, high-end smartwatch, and it sits at the very top of the Apple Watch lineup. It's designed specifically for people who want more than step counting. Think adventurers, athletes, divers, and anyone who's been frustrated by the limits of regular smartwatches. The Ultra 3 builds on the Ultra identity. A massive, ultra-bright display, a titanium case, advanced health tracking, and serious battery life for an Apple Watch. It starts at a premium price, but Apple's pitch is simple. This is the Apple Watch that doesn't flinch, no matter what you throw at it. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Short answer, fast, confident, and completely unbothered by whatever you're doing. The Ultra 3 runs on Apple's latest watch chip, and you feel it immediately. Swiping through apps, loading workouts, pulling up maps, it's all instant. I never once had a moment where I thought, come on, load already. Even when tracking long workouts or navigating with GPS, performance stayed smooth. Day to day, this feels like the most reliable Apple Watch ever. I used it for everything, from gym workouts and long outdoor walks to sleep tracking and notifications, and it never felt overwhelmed. GPS lock-on is quick, heart rate tracking is consistent, and the dual-frequency GPS is especially noticeable when you're in dense areas with buildings or trees. What surprised me most? How normal it feels despite being so extreme. You can absolutely wear this to the office, check messages, take calls, and forget you're wearing what is essentially a wrist-mounted survival computer. Features and tech. First up, the display. The Ultra 3 has an insanely bright, always-on display. And this isn't just a spec sheet flex. It means you can glance at your watch in direct sunlight, mid-run, mid-hike, and actually read it without squinting. That's huge if you're outdoors a lot. Second, battery life. Apple has pushed efficiency even further here. In real life, I was consistently getting close to 2 full days with normal use, and much longer in low-power mode. For an Apple Watch, that's still impressive, and for people doing long hikes or endurance events, it's a big deal. Third, health and safety features. You've got advanced heart tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, crash detection, and emergency SOS via satellite in supported areas. The benefit here isn't just data, it's peace of mind. This is the watch you wear when help isn't always nearby. Finally, the action button. It's customizable, tactile, and genuinely useful. Starting workouts, dropping waypoints, or triggering shortcuts without touching the screen is one of those features you'll miss the moment it's gone. Design and build. Aesthetically, Apple absolutely nailed it. The Ultra 3 is built from titanium, and it feels every bit as premium and tough as it looks. This thing feels solid, like you could knock it against a rock and not even worry. That said, it's big. There's no getting around it. On smaller wrists, it will look and feel chunky, but the flat display, raised edges, and larger digital crown make it super easy to use, even with gloves or sweaty hands. The bands are rugged, comfortable, and clearly designed for movement. This is a watch built to be used hard, not babied. Battery life. Battery life is where the Ultra 3 really separates itself from standard Apple Watches. In everyday use, notifications, workouts, sleep tracking, I ended most days with plenty left in the tank. Enable low power mode, and this becomes a multi-day watch that can survive long trips without a charger. Is it competing with Garmin's week-long battery monsters? No, but for an Apple Watch that does this much, the endurance feels like a fair and welcome trade-off. Pros. Super bright, easy-to-read display. Fast, reliable performance with zero lag. Excellent GPS and workout tracking. Cons. Expensive. Large and heavy for smaller wrists. Final verdict. Look, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, endurance athlete, or someone who wants maximum capability with the Apple ecosystem, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's the most confident, capable smartwatch Apple has ever made. But if you mostly want notifications, fitness rings, and something slim for daily wear, the regular Apple Watch or Watch series models make way more sense and cost a lot less. The Ultra 3 isn't trying to be everything to everyone, and that's its biggest strength. It knows its audience, and for that audience, it's fantastic. This isn't just a smartwatch upgrade, it's a commitment to a lifestyle. So that's my take on the Apple Watch Ultra 3, but now I want to hear from you. Are you thinking about picking one up, or is it overkill for your lifestyle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped, a thumbs up really helps the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.